Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with an update on more weather worries on the way here, especially this weekend and another round, probably the more concerning round that could arrive sometime late Tuesday night, perhaps as late as Wednesday morning for parts of the area. Let's start with the first round of thunderstorms, which will begin to move into the area Friday night. You can see the Storm Prediction Center does have the marginal to slight risk, as the storms likely will be weakening as they make their way into the area during the nighttime hours Friday night. So let's first talk about timing. You can see we'll start you off Friday evening. A few scattered showers or thunderstorms trying to pop up, but a main line of thunderstorms is going to develop along a cold front. You can see that line moving into the Texarkana area by about 3 a.m., probably northwest edge of the area around midnight Friday night. It will continue to weaken somewhat as it moves further to the east and southeast. By the time we get to mid-morning, it'll be approaching Shreveport, and we'll see that front edge southward. More scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible. There will be a low-end risk that a few of the storms during the afternoon Saturday could be a bit strong. The activity across the northern sections of the area likely will not pose much of a severe weather risk the way it looks right now. And you can see the off-and-on rain that will continue basically through Saturday night into Sunday morning, with the main focus shifting into the southern sections of the area during the day on Sunday. That being said, let's talk about the various issues. This is a look at wind gust potential. Again, these gusts here are from thunderstorms that are anticipated to move across the northwestern edge of the area Wednesday evening. So let's take a look at these new swaths that show up, and you can see Futurecast going through Friday or Saturday morning doesn't really show a whole lot as far as additional strong gusts, but we could see some gusts of 30 to 50 miles per hour, the isolated gust of 60. You can see more storms that move further to the south on Sunday also could produce those rather strong wind gusts. So again, one concern is going to be some rather gusty winds with the thunderstorms. A little bit of hail will be possible, but that risk is looking somewhat limited at this time. And again, as far as tornado potential, that potential also is looking low. This is the set of swaths that Futurecast is indicating for Wednesday evening. We'll throw everything on here for the weekend, and you can see it's showing just a few swaths here and very weak low-end tornado potential across the northern parts of the area. Again, as we move into Saturday and Saturday night, everything shifts to the south, and again, the tornado risk will remain very low. So severe weather will be possible, mainly for Friday night and Saturday morning. It should be very marginal, in other words, isolated if we have any issues during the day, Saturday and Saturday night. Now, beyond that, we'll be watching this big upper level low, which will march across the southwestern sections of the country and begin to produce some thunderstorms to the west of us on Tuesday. Those thunderstorms will gradually move into the ArkLaTex probably Tuesday night. Some models indicate it could be as late as Wednesday morning, but we will see at some point during the middle of the work week a round of thunderstorms, and given the path that this upper level low is taking much more further to the south, we'll have more upper level support for severe weather. Storm Prediction Center at this point already 7 days, this is day 7 according to them, with today being day 1. So almost a week out, they already have a slight risk for Tuesday and Tuesday night. So again, severe weather, this is going to be the time frame where that risk is probably going to be highest, and we'll know more about the possible impacts with that final disturbance basically as we get closer to next Tuesday. I will say at this point that all severe weather threats will be possible. As far as rainfall potential, models remain very consistent here. You can see numbers actually have increased over the southern sections of the area. Now it looks like most of the ArkLaTex will see at least 4 inches, and we could see upwards of 7 inches over the northwestern edge of the area from now through next Wednesday night. So that being said, here is your 10-day forecast, and you can see rainfall chances for the next few days looking rather low. As we go through this weekend, thunderstorms will be likely. Scattered thunderstorms Monday and much of Tuesday. Then Tuesday night, Wednesday, we'll see that final round of thunderstorms move through the area. And as that upper level low moves by, we will briefly cool down next Thursday with highs in the 60s, but we quickly recover back up into the mid to upper 70s as we move into next weekend.